Hello, welcome to today's video where I'm going to guide you through how you can create your first JavaScript program using Visual Studio Code. First of all you need to do, you go where it says file, then you click where it says new file. Then we're going to select text file. Then on this one you should choose where it says select a language, then scroll down or just type in JavaScript, just like that. So first of all, we just want to write the same thing which every programmer do when he or she first run his program. So make sure to write the hello world code. So write console, then you say .log, then you put some open brackets, then you put some quotations, then you write hello world, just like that. Then we're not forgetting our semicolon, then we click a space. Then we have to save our program, Either you click Control Save or you go back where it says File, then click where it says Save. Then we're going to store it in a certain location on our computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go where it says Desktop. Then I'm going to, in our Learn with Mbonisi folder. Then I'm going to create a separate folder for just JavaScript. Then I write Java script. Then I click enter. Then now I want to name our file name into something. Okay, let's just say hello. Then we're going to click save because it have automatically selected our file type is JavaScript. Okay, we just select where it says save. Then after saving, as you can see, it is already saved. Now we want to click where it says run here, so that we can run our code. As you can see, our program says hello world. So guys, this is how you successfully run your first program using Visual Studio Code. Okay, see in the next video for we are going to create something more exciting on Visual Studio. So guys, make sure to stick around, click that subscribe button. If this video was useful for you, just click the like button because it will be helpful so that others will discover the video, which will be exciting for everyone. So guys, see you next time. Bye for now.